Butterflies are the fairy queens in our gardens, flitting from flower to flower. And with a little know-how and the right plants, you can transform your garden into a butterfly playground. The secret to luring butterflies is to grow both host plants which provide food and shelter for young caterpillars and nectar-rich butterfly-attracting flowers. While most caterpillars aren't too fussy about the leaves they eat, others are very particular about their dinner. For example, Dingy Swallowtail butterflies like to feed on citrus, and the Common Imperial Blue favours wattles. Just bear in mind that caterpillars will chew the leaves of their favourite plants, so just be prepared to accept a few holes here and there. Butterflies flock to sedums, with their masses of pink flowers from summer to autumn. You'll also find them flitting around colourful daisies, nasturtiums and gorgeous yarrow flowers. The sunflower is a magnet for nectar-hungry butterflies too, with its brightly coloured blooms. So too is the pretty Verbena bonariensis. Try growing colourful flowers in big, bold groups to catch their attention as they're flying overhead. They also like simple flowers that are flat and easy to land on. And don't forget to grow plants that flower in different seasons to attract butterflies to your garden throughout the year.